Because I've got your regional breakdown, your national outlook, and the big weather headlines you'll want to watch over the next few days. Let's get started with today's top weather stories. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Monday morning. Hey, it's December the 1st, and at the time I'm starting making this video, it was 18 degrees at 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time on my weather station right here in Indiana. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving weekend and a safe one. Here's how the weather is shaping up across the nation as we kick off December. And yeah, let's get started. Looking at the Northeast, looking at a damp and chilly start to the week. Widespread rain stretches from Pennsylvania through New England with colder pockets in the northern New York and northern New England. We're seeing a mix of rain and wet snow early. Highs stay in the upper 30s to mid 40s. And for your mid-Atlantic forecast, mostly cloudy with areas of light rain, especially near the coast. Temperatures will be cool, ranging from the upper 40s to low 50s, and light breezes continue through the day. Now, the southeast, looking at dry and pleasant in most areas. Sunshine from the Carolinas to Florida. High ranges from the upper 50s to 60s north to 70s across much of Florida. And a few spotty Gulf showers are possible. Now, the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley, looking at lake effect rain showers, persist downward of the lakes. Some morning mixed with precipitation possible. Now, highs hold in the 40s to low 50s, mostly cloudy elsewhere across the Ohio Valley. And the Midwest and Central Plains, looking at a quiet start to December, mostly sunny skies with cool air in place. Highs in the 40s in upper Midwest and the lower 50s farther south. Light winds are expected as well. And the northern plains, cold and mostly clear. Highs in the 20s and 30s with a brisk north wind. No major system impacting the region at this time. Now, southwest area, a weak system brings scattered showers to Southern California, Arizona, and New Mexico, looking at high temperatures in the 50s to 60s, with some areas could be in the 70s in the desert area, and cloudy skies most of the day. Your west coast, Northern California, and the Pacific Northwest, we'll see increasing clouds with a chance of light rain developing by the afternoon and into the evening. Highs in the 40s to 50 area north and 60s in the central California. Southern California remains dry and mild. Let's take a look at the Rockies. Cold but calm, mostly sunny skies. Highs in the 20s to 30s in the mountains and 40s and low 50s in the lower valleys. And a stray chance of a snow shower possible in northern Wyoming and Montana. Now for your local weather here in Indiana. We're under a winter weather advisory remains from 7 p.m. Tonight into 10 a.m. going into Tuesday Eastern Standard Time. Now, the National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for the entire local area with high confidence in 2 to 3 inch area of snow, and some areas could see possibility of 4 inches in some spots. Now, the greatest potential for the 4 inch of snow may end up being across parts of the northern and northeast Kentucky and the far south central Ohio area. There is also potential for a brief period of freezing rain, along with a light glaze of ice in the far southern Ohio and northeast Kentucky. But the confidence in this is really occurring rather low. Let's talk about the timing. Snow will begin to move into the local area by 10 p.m., becoming steady, widespread by 1 a.m. Now, the heaviest snow expected between 1 a.m. and 7 a.m. tonight with potential for snow rates near 1 inch per hour at times. So we're looking at a heavy snowfall. Now, untreated surfaces will quickly become snow covered during this time, and snow will end progressively from the west to the east between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. with dry conditions after 9 a.m. Impact the Tuesday morning commute expected to be impacted even as snow comes to an end by mid-morning. So be careful out there. And as always, please watch for updates on my weather site under Jim Scott's Weather Desk. And if you have any questions or concerns, be sure to include them in the comments. I do read them and reply back. And I'll provide additional updates throughout the day for Indiana weather. Now let's take a look at your forecast over the next 5 days. Today, mostly cloudy with a high near 33 degrees. Winds will be calm, coming out of the east at 6 miles per hour in the morning. And then tonight, snow mainly after 11 p.m. Snow could be heavy at times with low around 24 degrees, light and variable wind. Looking at a 90% chance of snow and new snow accumulation between 2 to 4 inches possible. For your Tuesday, a chance of snow before 7 a.m., mostly cloudy with a high near 30 degrees. Winds out of the northwest at 3 to 6 miles per hour. Chance of snow is 30%, and new snow accumulation less than an inch possible. Moving into Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 17 degrees. Winds going to be light and variable. And then Wednesday, partly sunny with a high near 33 degrees. Winds out of the southwest at 6 to 9 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, looking at a slight chance of snow before 1 a.m., mostly cloudy with a low around 20 degrees, only looking at a 20% chance. And then Thursday, partly sunny with a high near 25 degrees, winds out of the north at 7 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 10 degrees. And Friday, a chance of snow back in the forecast after 1 p.m., mostly cloudy with a high of 31. Winds out of the southwest at 6 miles per hour, looking at a 30% chance of snow. And then Friday night, a chance of snow, mostly cloudy with a low around 24. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Hey, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and share the video. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to join so you can stay up to date on my forecast on Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Stay safe. Have a good day.